This video highlights the features of the VR25, VR37 and VR68 High Ohmic value High Voltage Metal Glaze Resistors. The VR25, VR37 and VR68 High Ohmic value High Voltage Metal Glaze Leaded Resistor series from Vishay are a good choice for applications requiring high resistance, high stability and high reliability at high voltage. High reliability applications will benefit from the AEC-Q 200 qualified VR25 and VR37s, making these product series an ideal selection where reliability is required. This metal glaze series offers different termination styles, such as radial taping for the VR25s, and is RoHS compliant, halogen free, meets flammability requirements as per IEC standard, and is UL 1676 approved for both the VR37 and VR68. The VR25 series is offered from 100 kiloohms to 22 megaohms with a 1%, 5% and 10% tolerance option. VR37 resistance is from 100 kiloohms to 33 megaohms with 1% and 5% tolerances, while the VR68 is available from 100 kiloohms to 68 megaohms with 1% and 5% tolerances. The VR25, VR37 and VR68 are rated to 0.25 watt, 0.5 watt and 1 watt, and continuous working voltage of 1600 volts, 3500 volts and 10,000 volts respectively. The construction begins with a metal glazed film deposited on a high-grade ceramic body. After a helical groove has been cut in the resistive layer, tinned electrolytic copper wires are welded to the end caps. The resistors are coated with a light blue lacquer which provides electrical, mechanical and climatic protection. The peak voltage graphs above, as a function of the resistance value, show the pulsed high voltage capability for each VR resistor size, with capability up to 7 kV for the VR25 and 10 kV for the VR37 and VR68, in accordance with the IEC 60065 standard clause 14.2 for a 1 nanofarad capacitor discharge test. The working voltage graph above, as a function of the resistance value, shows the working voltage of the VR series versus standard axial leaded resistors with comparable sizes 0207, 0309 and 0718. It shows the benefit of the extended resistance range and high working voltage of the VR series. It can handle continuous working voltages up to 1600 volts, 3500 volts and 10,000 volts, while standard axial leaded resistors can only handle up to 350 volts, 500 volts and 750 volts respectively. These high ohmic value high voltage metal glaze resistor series are especially designed where high resistance, high stability and high reliability at high voltage are required, including high humidity environments like white goods and power supplies, but they are also suitable for other applications in the following market segments: alternative energy, industrial, consumer and specifically automotive for the VR25 and VR37. For more information on these products, visit vishay.com and enter VR in the search box where you can download the datasheet.